Hello dear students, this is Gudipati Bhaskar, lecturer in physics. Today you are going to learn about motion. So you have to know first what is rest, what is motion. First, what is rest? You observe. So this one, if a body does not change its position, does not change its position, with time, with respect to its surroundings, then it is said to be at rest. What about motion? You observe here, if your body changes its position with time, with respect to its surroundings, then body is said to be in motion. Okay, do you understand? Rest and motion are relative. Rest and motion are relative. How? When a person sitting in a moving train, you observe here, when a person sitting in a moving train with co-passengers, when he compared with outside the person, then he is in motion. When he compared with his co-passenger, then he is at rest. So rest and motion are relative. Okay, do you understand? Now, types of motion on the basis of path of the object. Types of motion. On the basis of path of object. So here, first one you observe here, circular motion or rotatory motion. Circular motion or rotatory motion or rotational motion. Circular motion or rotational motion or rotatory motion. Now second one you observe, linear motion. Third one, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion, or it is also called vibratory motion. Oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. So these are the different types of motion on the basis of path of object. First one you observe, circular motion. Motion of a body in circular path. Motion of a body in circular path. You observe, motion of a body in circular path is called circular motion or rotatory motion. For example, blades of rotating fan. Blades of rotating fan. Fan. You may take blades of rotating fan. For example, for circular motion or rotatory motion. And second one, linear motion. What about linear motion? Motion of your body along straight line. Straight line path. So motion of your body along straight line path is called linear motion, or it is also called translatory motion. Next, oscillatory motion, or it is also called vibratory motion. You observe. You observe. Oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. To and fro. To and fro. To and fro motion of body. To and fro motion of body from its mean position is called oscillatory motion, or it is also called vibratory motion. You may take example, motion of pendulum clock or motion of simple pendulum. You know simple pendulum? Motion of simple pendulum. You observe here, a wire is suspended. Here a bob means sphere. A sphere is or bob is suspended through a wire from rigid support. When we pull it on one side, then left to itself. When we pulled it on one side, then left to itself, then what happened? It moves to and fro, oscillations from its from its main position. Okay? A motion that repeats again and again is known as periodic motion. Okay? You understand? So these are the different types of motion on the basis of path of object. But according to direction of the object, there are three types of motion. According to direction of object, according to direction of object, there are three types of motion. Types of motion. First one dimensional motion. One dimensional motion. Two dimensional motion. Three dimensional motion. What about one dimensional motion? You observe. One dimensional motion means here motion of a body along straight line. Motion of a body along straight line or in a straight line. You right. Motion of a body in a straight line. Is known as one dimensional motion. What is the example for one dimensional motion? Motion of freely falling body. You may take. Next, two dimensional motion. What about two dimensional motion? Motion of a body in a plane. Motion of a body in a plane is known as two-dimensional motion. You observe this one x, this one is y, xy plane. This is xy plane. Okay, xy plane. Suppose, for example, you may take motion of a car along curved path. Motion of a car along curved path. Along curved path. Motion of a car along curved path. Or motion of a car along curved path is the best example for two-dimensional motion. So what about three-dimensional motion? You observe. Motion of a body in space. Motion of a body in space is known as a three-dimensional motion. For example, motion of flying kite. Motion of flying kite or motion of flying aeroplane. You observe here like this. So this direction, this direction, this direction. X, Y, Z. This is three-dimensional motion. So motion of flying kite like this or like this or like this. Motion of aeroplane or motion of flying aeroplane. It moves this direction or also this direction. So these are the best examples for three-dimensional motion. Okay, do you understand? Now, when your body moves some distance and when it is displaced from one place to another place, you have to know what is distance, what is displacement. So now, distance and displacement.